Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Mobile. Okay, here we go. I want to show you guys how to install the engine door glass. So guys, I just work on the door glass. The cable is damaged, so I got another cable to rearrange the door glass winder. So guys, I've installed the other side, so I got to make the video of this one. Let me show you guys how I've been installing this one in this door mat. Let me show you guys how I've been installing this in this door mat. So guys, here we go. I need to just bend it down like this, then take it up. Okay guys, we have 4 screws. So what I'll be doing here, I will just put this one here and guide this one first. So guys, here we go. Then I'll be installing the second screw. Then I need to just guide it and leave it. Then let's go. We have this other side. I have this other side, so we just guide it. Then we have the last one here. Okay guys, let's go. So guys, after tightening the engine winder, then we put in our sockets. Then the next thing, so guys, I will bring down the glass down, or what I will do, I will just put the doormat, socket it, then wind it up. So guys, I have to plug this here, then turn on the ignition. And then I need to wind it up. As you can see, it's coming up. So guys, what I'll be doing here right now, I will drop the glass. I will drop the glass down because that's a clip here and here. Then here we go. Then we wind it down again. So it's not only the cable that has been replaced. That is it. Then what I'll be doing next, I will install all this. I need to put the car off. Put the car off. Then Disconnect the cable back, and then I will install this. You know, we have another extra bolt here that will tie it from here. So then take in your door cable, door opener cable. So don't forget this while installing the door cover. Then you put all your screws. Try and put all your screws. Then this particular one here, this is it. I need to just guide it, then tighten it, then put the cables for the speaker. You can take this back to the crib. Then you connect all the connector. You connect all the connector. You need to lock this one that hold the engine liner. Then you are good to go to lock every other thing, all the screws, before installing the doormat. Guys, after tightening on the style and key bolts, so I've been installing the doormat. So what I will do first and foremost, that's what I will plug the socket here. After that, I will install something. I will install the cable. I don't know if you'll be able to see it well. It's very hidden. Then this cable will be entering here. So this cable will be entering here, this cable here, and this other shape here will clip in here. So guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, or if my camera will be able to get there. It's hidden, and you can't drag the cable. Okay guys, I was able to choke it. Then when you are trying to take the doormat, then you have to gradually put the cable. Like that, I'll need to install this here on the doormat here. I need to test this if it's okay, if it will open. So what I will do, I just to lock the door from here, then try to open. Okay, it's working. So the cable has entered normally. So guys, then after that I will tighten the screws. That I will install the screws. We have two here. Then we have the second one here. Installing all this. Then we come to this side. Then we have one here. So guys, then after that we come to this one here. We install this one also. Guys, we install this like this. Then we push this in. Then we come to this other side. It has a hole. So guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video, and then thanks for watching. Please like the video, like my video. Thanks for watching.